to pay its Series A something dividend. Look at this. What just happened? 82 cents to 128. This stock was like dormant before that. Our ELTK, straight reversal bar down, traded through the VWAP, guys. That's why I'm waiting. We want to give it an ID. We want to give it a little bit of time to kind of set up to get an idea of what may come. ZUO, right? Zulu Uniform Oscar. This is a stock, ladies and gentlemen, that I said was down big and could be looking for a short covering rally. Already trying to move up higher. Let's see if we could go. TAT so far, no follow through as of yet. ELTK all over the show. ZUO, a little bit more expensive. SBOT, significantly strong. We want in.